dear tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to this video. This is a video for April 2021 predictions. We are going to do sun sign based predictions in this video. So there will be series of 12 sun sign based predictions which I'll be releasing in Hindi as well as in English on my channel Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi and Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Don't forget to follow me on YouTube, Instagram as well as Facebook, because on Instagram also I do keep on releasing a lot of pick a card readings and lot of topics which I cover under the tarot segment. Also do keep sharing your comments, sharing your insights, sharing your experiences from these readings. That it really helps me to improvise. I have launched a new brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream brand. So I offer integrated destiny management solutions under this brand, and I already have released a video which is talking in detail about what this brand offers. So do check out that video. I'll be placing a card over here which you can so that you can check that video and know a little more about the brand. I'm also going to mention it at the end of the video, where I'll be putting in a slide so that you know what all services I offer under that brand. So without wasting too much of time, let us quickly jump into this video. I also just quickly I would like to mention that for Astro Vruksh also I have a YouTube channel, Instagram page, Facebook group and a Facebook page. I'm inviting all of you to join Facebook group because it is a unified group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a parent brand now. So now quickly jumping to this video, let's see what is in cards for your sun sign. Hi Arians, let's see what's in cards for you for April 2021. We will start with your energy oracle card. We have 4th chakra energy in the reverse position. So somewhere your heart chakra is looking blocked. Somewhere you are not able to send or receive love energy, because of which you are feeling aloof, you are feeling disconnected, you are feeling unliked or unloved by your closed ones. It could be your partner, it could be your husband or wife, it could be your friends, close circle, it could relatives, your mother, your parents, your children. It could be anybody who is as close to you as you can imagine. I am giving all the possibilities because there are multiple people who are checking this reading, and this is a general reading. So whoever is facing problem in whichever relationship, you can pick a advice from this. So here the problem which I am sensing is you are not happy with the current relationship because your expectations are a bit high. You are chasing a relationship which is out of your reach. You are being too ambitious that you want this relationship, it is in this particular way. But you already have one relationship which is a good, promising, pleasant relationship which is already at offer to you, which you are ignoring, and you are chasing something which is not accessible. So here friends, don't chase something which is not accessible. So rather than wasting your energy on that, accept what is there in your hands and try to nurture it, nourish it. You never know, it becomes like a energy center for you in terms of relationship, because this energy, this relationship which is at offer, it has a powerful source which can really give you a boost in relationship, psychologically, emotionally and romantically. So I really hope that relationship wise you become little more realistic in the coming month. Coming to your career, we see Knight of Wands in the reverse position. This card is suggesting that somewhere you were planning a movement in your career. So either an upward movement where you were planning, expecting a growth, or growth in terms of promotion, monetary growth, or you were planning to change the job, or you were planning to change the location in your job. You were planning to upgrade your skills and prepare yourself for future. All these things were in cards for some of you in one or the other way, but they are looking blocked. So there is a lack of movement, there is a stagnancy which is seen, and it could be because of some wrong decision that you are taken, or it could be just because of the bad time. Now bad time, how do I explain it? I'll explain it in another video on my channel Astro Vruksh by Shefali very soon. So what is bad time? So coming back to this video, this reading, I would say be innovative, be creative, be open to take risk, but calculated risk. Don't do something without thinking, thoughtlessly, because that can lead you into a pitfall. So just be careful how you react, how you take decisions in your career. Coming to your finances, guys, I can see that you have gone through maybe a very tough time in finances where you have incurred a lot of losses. There was confusion, chaos, duality, depressive thoughts, negativity, people trying to pull you down, or they're trying to misguide you in terms of financial investment, leading to huge losses. But now you have accepted whatever has happened, and you are trying to move out of it. That is leading you into a harmonious state. So you are in tandem, you are in harmony with the situation and trying to attain your balance slowly in the coming time, which is a good thing for you. Coming to your health, I can see you mourning over some loss of relationship. It could be disconnection with your family member, or it could be a disconnect with because of desertion of some close one, death or desertion of some close one, and that is what is stressing you or making you feel sad emotionally and psychologically. So here you should go moment to moment. Don't jump to any conclusion of why the person deserted you. There could be some logical reason. Give it time, things will be unfolded over the period. So just don't jump to any conclusions. If it is desertion is because of death of somebody, it could be, again, there is a reason for everything that happens in life, and it happens for your good. Just believe on that and move on in future. Angels are advising you that you are a born leader. You are a sensitive person, but you are also a born leader. So you will not only lead yourself, but you will be able to lead other people who are following you too. So trust on your capabilities. You will sail through this period on your own. Thanks, friends. I hope this reading helps you guys. So friends, I really hope that this reading will help you to plan your coming month in the best possible fashion. Wherever you feel there is need of more help or more personalized reading, you can connect with me on my email ID or on my mobile number, or WhatsApp me on my number. You can put me an Instagram message or a Facebook message. I'm very active there, and I will reply back at the earliest. So don't forget to follow me on these platforms: Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, as well as Facebook group, which is named under Astro Vruksh by Shefali. I would request you to share these videos with your friends, families, colleagues, so that they can also get benefit out of these free readings and they can also plan their life better. Do share your feedback in terms of comments, in terms of queries. If you feel stuck somewhere, you can connect with me either personally or on my YouTube channel. Please stick to the context of tarot reading or astro advice. Okay, so that is one request I would like to make. I'm thanking all the subscribers for being along the journey, and I would like to invite more subscribers to join us so that we can help each other and I can help you more in my capacity and regularly, so that you can get the guidance out of it. And I hope this month goes well for you. Thank you guys. Very good luck to you.